Susan has 7 over 11 as many candles as Mary. So which means Susan will take on 7 units and Mary will take on 11 units. After Mary gave 52 candles to Susan, both of them had the same number of candles. How many candles did Susan have at first? Now, this is an example of an internal transfer problem whereby their total number of candles before and after must remain the same. So you can draw the BCA table before, change and after, or you can even use a ratio kind of technique in this question. So if you want to use ratio, this is how it works. Okay, Susan is to Mary, 7 is to 11, and you write down the total as well, which is 7 plus 11. That will be 18 units at the start. Alright, and again, this is the before case. Alright, in the after case, after Mary gave 52 to Susan, both of them had the same number of candles. So in the after case, 1 is to 1, right? Because same means 1 unit for Susan will be that 1 unit for Mary as well. So this will be 2. Okay, and we just need to ensure that the total is the same. So 18 and 2 must make it the same, which you can actually times by 2. Sorry, not times by 2, times by 9, right? So 2 times 9 will get 18, which is the same as the top part. So 18 here, 9 here, and 9 here as well. So as you can see, there is a change for Susan. So what is the change for Susan? Susan's change from 7 became 9. Alright, so we focus on this part here. Basically, you're adding 2 units for Susan. Marie, 11 became 9. You are taking away 2 units. Why is that so? Because Mary gave 52 candles to Susan. So that 2 units must be 52 candles. So 2 units is equals to 52. We proceed to find 1 unit. 52 divided by 2, that will be 26. And we can find how many candles did Susan have at first, which is 7 units. 26 multiplied by 7 to give us the final answer of 182 candles for Susan at first.